Okay, so I went this morning and I went to pull the cards out of my trail cameras, and yeah, it's not good. So I got another yet toasted trail camera. I hate that. It drives me nuts. Those things cost way too much money for these kinds of things to happen. I got to find a way to protect those trail cameras out in the field so that I don't just get you get those foggy images, or you open it up and it's full of water or whatever. So I was thinking, I got a bucket. I've got some buckets. I got a bunch of these buckets. And what can I make out of these buckets that are going to protect that trail camera down the road from the hot sun, glare, right? You get those early mornings or late evenings, you get a lot of glare. Let me see what I can come up with. Let's go to work. Okay, so anyway, I got my square, and so I'm going to use it to draw my lines to get me that 45 degree angle, right? And I just use this to there, switch it over on this side, do the same thing, make sure I get it the same. Where'd it go from? Yeah, right up there. Okay. There you go. That's it. So then I got my Dremel. Let's cut this out real quick. The best I can. Well, I look to the east. Okay, we got that cut out. Nice and easy, quick and easy. So think about it. We get our trail camera, we just mount it inside there. So it acts like a little hat or a visor or a cover or something like that. I don't know what to call that. You got any ideas? drop me a note. Let me know what to call this. Or if you've done something like this before and you have any suggestions or something that you think would make it better, let me know. I'd love to add it to it. But this is just what I thought of. But that's why it's not going to work. And we have to have a way to run straps, right? So these got these strap holes on the back. So I need to cut some slats in the back of this for the strap to go through to hold this up against the post or the tree or whatever I put it on. So anyways, let's work on that real quick. The best I can. Well, I look to the east, and I look. Okay, so there you go. Yeah, we got a little slots in the back, right? So we got our straps. Boom, put that in there, strap it to a tree. Okay, so it's got these rough edges, right? That the Dremel's amazing, but it leaves a rough edge. So I'm gonna get some sandpaper. We're gonna sand that down, and then I'm gonna paint it. So yeah, we gotta have it nice and gotta blend in, create some kind of camo or something. So let's do that. Come on now, sing it with me. Oh Lord, taking my pain. Oh Lord, I got nowhere to stay. Oh Lord, just a bumming around today. Come on now, let me hear it sing it. Oh Lord, taking my pay. Oh Lord, I got nowhere. You can't just have it green. We gotta give it some camo look. So I got some branch, and then you just kind of like just lay the branch over it and hit it with a different color, and it kind of gives it that camo look. Isn't that cool? And put some over this side. Look at that. I love it. There we go. Okay, so we'll let this dry up a little bit. Gotta get this side too. And then we'll go put it out in the field, right? Let's go get this thing doing what it does. And looks really cool. There you go. So, I mean, tell me the truth. If you've done something like this, let me know. And if you got some suggestions, I always want to improve it. I'll make as many of these videos as I need to. Okay. we go. So we got the straps, got it through there, and yeah, this strap isn't for this camera, so the backs were not as wide, so I had to make some modifications to get it to work. But we're in good shape. So now we got our cover, and I'm going to put it on this tree. I'm going to put it over so it can cover my hog tube. There you go. Okay. Well, you can already tell how it's in the shade. I mean, that is great. So we can put that extra strap away, and there we go. So now we got a great view of the hog tube. It's shading it from the sun, because the sun, I don't know about you guys, but here in the Texas Hill Country is freaking brutal. So I'm sure that the heat on those cameras plays a lot in it as far as messing up the quality, the life of the camera, and probably the life of the batteries too. So on this, I can just pop in there, open it up. There you go. I can get my cards, I can turn it on and off. There we go, we're good to go. So I can well, in this case, I can kind of see where I'm at as far as my hog tube and stuff. I might want to actually pry at the back of it so it faces down a little bit more to get the right angle. But anyways, as far as covering the camera and protecting it, this is a good little tool. So yeah, if you've done something like this, please share with me, give me some ideas and stuff. And if you can think of what I should call this thing.
See the beauty, the best I can. Well, I look to the east, and I look to the west. But every chain has raped your land the best they can. And we sing, oh Lord, taking my pain. Oh Lord, I got nowhere to stay. Oh Lord, Jesus.
Battery's burning out as fast. You won't get rain in it. I know I get rain in mine a lot. Open them up, water's dripping out and stuff. The lenses are all foggy and everything. So there, and then the sun glare, right? So then you're not going to get the glare from the sun, right in there, messing up your photo shots and stuff. So a good thing. So again, I don't know what to call this thing. So send me your ideas. I'd love to do it. And if you have any suggestions, like if you've done one and there's a way to improve on this thing, please let me know. So make it happen.